The clipx Engineer is an engineering software for the comfortable and quick configuration, marking and ordering of terminal strips. Equip mounting plates or rails and junction boxes for the control cabinets. It contains all product families of the Phoenix Contact product range. Today we will show you the software interface and the most important function so that you can start directly with your control cabinet project. Let me show how to find the software. The clipx Engineer is a web application that can be accessed via the Phoenix Contact website. Enter clipx Engineer in the search field of the website. Click on the product to open the product page and then click on Start Web Version. The Start page appears each time you start clipx Engineer. It provides quick access to application functions that you might find useful to start your work. On the left side, by clicking on Projects, you are able to open and create a project. By clicking on Settings, you can directly switch to the Backstage area to change application settings and defaults. And here you can directly start the device parameterization tool. To use all functions of the software, you must be logged in. To do this, simply click on the Login button at the top right. You can use your standard account from Phoenix Contact website. If you do not have an account yet, then you can simply register here. After your login, you have the possibility to select and load saved projects. Now we want to find out how we can create a new project with the software. To plan a completely new terminal strip, we start with a new project. Now we can see the main workspace. On the top, we find the taskbar with ribbons for all functions of clipx Engineer. On the left, your project structure is displayed. The intuitive search function for the articles is located on the right. And in the middle, your terminal strip will be placed. The first thing we need for a terminal strip is a DIN rail. This can be inserted here. You can change the length directly on the mounting rail or use the radial menu by clicking the mounting rail with the right mouse button. Choose Change Rail Length on the left and enter a new length. To place products now, we use the insertion center. You can either enter a product name or an article number. The window below displays all articles that match to the inserted data. If you found the appropriated product, you can either place it on the DIN rail by double-click, via drag and drop, or by clicking on the plus button. You also have the possibility to insert several articles at the same time. Just enter the required number here and click on the plus button. To provide more details about the chosen article, dedicated product information is displayed below the insertion center. This button will lead you to the data sheets. You are able to split terminal strips by clicking on the button here and then select the position where you want to split. You can also bring the divided terminal strips together again. To do this, you must move the two terminal strips next to each other on the DIN rail first and mark them at the same time. To do this, hold down the Ctrl key on the keyboard and click on the elements that are to be marked. Then click on the button Merge Terminal Strips to merge the two terminal strips into one terminal strip. Characteristics function groups are logically connected articles that together provide the solution for a specific requirement. You can also create function groups in advance as a template and put them in the area Unplaced Element for further use. This area works as a clipboard. You can also use the clipboard for frequently used items to avoid having to search for them again when creating further projects. All stored article or function groups are temporarily stored in this area until they are used. From the insertion center, you can also select and insert additional mounting rails as well as mounting plates.